Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit different from my channel, but interesting. Kind of share my experiences. This is going to be a video on doing the bed liner. So, been thinking about it, how I wanted to do the bed liner in this. I wanted to get a plastic one for a while. Then I started ruling against it. Then I didn't like the surface rust here. And then I started thinking about Line-X. I called Line-X. They want almost $800 for whatever reason to do this bed liner. So then I found this company on Facebook Marketplace that will do it for $380 and they come to the house. So I figured, okay, let's give it a shot. And supposedly they remove all the rust and do the whole thing. So we will see how this goes. So I just wanted to do some before video of this bed. And then we'll do some after, and I'll try to get some footage of them doing it. And then I'll explain to you what they used and the warranty and all that good stuff. So yeah, wish me luck. And here's the finished result. Boom. Spray and bed liner complete. And they even removed all the rust. I just showed that clip. He did that brush thing and then a sander and then a brush thing and a sander. I didn't get a lot of footage on it because I don't think they really wanted me taping them, so I kind of just let them do their thing, but came out exceptional. Did the tailgate. I told him to tape it off right here, which he gave me a nice even tape line all the way down because I want to keep the factory color up here. I just feel like that looks neater when you're looking at it like that. It just looks cleaner to me instead of having a bunch of black up here. So yeah, there it is, guys. So this is the spray-in bed liner finished up. Facebook Marketplace special. Come right to the house. Now I don't have to worry about putting in a plastic bed liner. I just preserve the bed for probably another 35, 40 years. Got all the rust out of there. Looks great. Very happy with it. They sanded everything down. Looks great. So yeah, good stuff. So it really completes the look of the truck too. The toolbox off of there. I kind of like it with the toolbox off, but I like the versatility of having the toolbox installed. So I'm gonna put it back on. Try to maybe polish it up. Looks great. Really completes it. So we'll get the new tires put on it. I think tomorrow they come in. So I'm putting 205s on there instead of the 195s. Get a little more width out of them. These are a little narrow for my liking, but they'll still look stock. And got some deliveries over there. Some surprise work about to get done on it. And the carpet kit comes in tomorrow. So very exciting. Good stuff, guys. Anyways, subscribe, like, and I'll get you on the next one. Later.